From now on, every video in this channel comes with a giveaway. And in today's video, you can able to win this premium MSI cap and a MSI backpack. I'll explain how to enter at the end and I'll announce the winner in the next video. So stay tuned. We are showcasing a absolute beast, a next level MSI themed flagship PC powered by Intel Core Ultra 9 285K processor and the insane MSI RTX 5090 Suprim Liquid SOC Edition, a fully liquid cooled GPU monster. Whether it's 4K ultra gaming, AI heavy workflows or professional content creation, this machine is built to dominate with MSI best components from top to bottom. Let's jump into a full spec breakdown. This is Intel flagship Arrow Lake processor, the Core Ultra 9 285K. It packs with 24 cores and 24 threads and boost up to 5.7 GHz with built-in Intel Arc graphics and dedicated NPU for real-time AI acceleration. It's built for the future with high clock speed and unbeatable multi-core performance for gamers and creators. For solid backbone, we're using MSI MPG G890 Carbon Wi-Fi with DDR5 PCIe Gen 5 Wi-Fi 7 and reinforced slots. This board is ready for future upgrades. For memory, we're going with 32 GB of G.Skill Ripjaws S5 DDR4 running at 6000 MHz, perfect for fast renders, multitasking and smooth gameplay. Here is the star of the show, the MSI RTX Suprim Liquid, a liquid cooled GPU with 32 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, perfect for 8K gaming, AI content creation and professional workflows. With built-in AIO cooling, it stays cooler, quieter and performs like an absolute beast. To handle CPU temperature, we're going with MSI MAG Coreliquid S360 AIO, a 360mm AIO cooler with an LCD display, customizable animations and top-tier cooling efficiency. For storage, we went with Samsung 990 Pro Gen 4 M2 NVMe SSD, one of the fastest PCIe Gen 4 SSDs in the world. It has 2 TB of storage, ideal for massive project files, fast game loads and seamless boot times. Powering up everything with the MSI MAG A1000ZL, a 1000 watt 80 plus gold power supply with PCIe Gen 5 support and ready for today's and tomorrow's GPUs, and it ATX 3.1 ready. To complete the MSI theme, everything housed inside this MSI MAG Pano 100R PZ ATX cabinet. With its panoramic tempered glass view and clean internal layout, it perfectly shows off the build inside. Total cost of this flagship build is 5,86,500. All these available at our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Compotech stores. For online shopping, visit vishalperipherals.com. So now I'll tell you how to win this MSI cap and backpack from this video. Subscribe to Vishal Peripherals YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and tag 2 friends in the comment section below. And that's it. We'll randomly pick a winner from the comments and we'll announce in the next video. Let us know in the comment section how do you feel about this flagship MSI build. Want a setup like this for yourself? Visit in store or online. And don't forget to participate in the giveaway.